Hello, hello. How's it going? Let me put some music. And then... So what I see here is oh, give me one sec. All right. So hello. First of all, let me see. All right. So I woke up late because I had some meeting last night. And let's see what happened. So my yesterday target finally got hit. Give me one sec. So yeah, we got the target from yesterday in Asia. Unfortunately, I was not even participating, but look where price went, right? And that giving us a new high. So we have this new 9 a.m. TBL just freshly formed, not validated as of yet. We swept it. I think there's a higher chance that we go for that low. In my opinion, though. Let me see. Alright, let me see. Let's see what happened here. Mhm. Interesting. This did work, right? I'm getting value. Alright, let me see. This would be a sell stop. Let me see where we at in the higher time frame. this. This way. Okay, I have to regroup and figure out what this is doing first. So this would be a beautiful trade. Target was neat. So we're looking for the same thing. The usual swing count. We're above the last high. You can count your swing on the higher time frame too. So we have one here, second one there. The third one here, the same size, I'd say. One, two. Yeah, three. Yeah, I'm looking shorts. Let me see what price is doing. Once again, looking for short. Based on what price already done. We see. Do I have anything on the left? Oh, maybe on the sweep of the tibia. Yeah. Right here. Let me go for my phone so I can pep the chat. Yeah, there's nothing in the chat as of now. Cool. Let me see about targets. Yeah. Um, I've been looking for a short coming back in here. Let's see what price give me. was silly of me. We mark out the sweep and then we wait. Here's the thing, I'm on test to look for short based on where we're at, but it's not, I mean, it's not optimal based on higher time frame. Higher time frame saying this low made that high, and we came back, mitigated this, and we're about to make a new high. This is the origin of the down move that send us back below those low. Maybe we can find a slight pullback here, which would end up being the SNDR or something, and then we keep going higher. Yeah. But I'm not longing in here because longing in here feel like longing high. What I could have done is buy stop the top of a red candle going in the direction of the trend. That's what I would have done actually. All right. And so still waiting. We are on the last portion of the 9 a.m. TBA on the left. The sweep of the TBA is here. Waiting for something concrete. Okay. Um. So yeah, as I was saying, I'm still not too inclined to look to go for long in here. I'd like a pullback, even though price looks like higher. Here is the sweep of 9 a.m. TBR. Um, so if price fail here, I'll take an entry there, going back into here, and my stop will go behind the high that's created here. Yeah. All right. All right. All right. Let me see. There's some GOT happening in here. Let me check. Uh, yeah. There's another entry. This is what I was looking at. Wait. For this to happen, we have to trade below that low and close. That's it. Some Kunto twin scalp. This is what I was looking at. We wait for an entry higher. The thing is, price is bouncing on this EMA. As long as there's no strong close below, we might go back and see the high. But this is no place for me to long though. This might be us. Alright, alright. Let me check something. It appears that my I don't know. I'm itching. Alright, so we wait. That's what I was looking at. I got invalidated because price couldn't make a low from this high, right? So this is the first time. We go back in, and if price make a strong low, we get to see those low. If not, high. I'm in price. Hello, Maxime, how's it going? So, as much as I want to go to short, for now, price is not giving me any opportunity. I should have been here to go short. It just kept wanting higher, right? Let me see. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's a beautiful pullback. So yeah, just gold just gave the pullback that I was expecting yesterday when I do all this, and I explained it. I don't know who asked in the chat, what about this? And I was like, yeah, I wouldn't be longing in there to go to those high because of where prices currently is at. Let me check pound. So pound is ranging. This low and that high is bound. Price pound is ranging in between this low and that high. I would see pound get to those lows and then continue higher. Let me draw something like this, and then continues higher, something like this. I see. We'll see. So we're about to get that sweep. I hope I can find a scalp and two shorts so I can wrap up my day and then do something else. Price is teasing me. Oh, I mean, wait. So let's be mindful and wait for the sweep of that high. Yeah, but this is the direction I'm looking in. I'm looking in for shorts for sure. Tick. Still no confirm. I wanna wait So we have the high one close to another happening here. You have this high of that high that's closed. Um, so there's something. Let me give me one sec. So look like I missed. Look like I missed this entry because I was typing in. Let me check. All right. I'm itching. Still waiting for the batch out. Okay. Nothing as of yet. Um, yeah. For us to get back in here, let's see if we get something higher. Looking for this. For us to get back in. last high. Here's the thing, I'd like to show this, but I had no closure. Price is just weakened down below. No strong close. And a strong close, pull back in. Because if I was in the short, like from this, I would have needed to be in the short from here. If I'm shorting here, I need it needs to be on the second time out, like on the pullback or something. Oh, this is good. This is good. Let's manage this. This is missed. Oh. Still need a strong low. Not getting it right now. Waiting again. price kept rocking up. Um, where is my bar? Here. Let's get it. All right. So look like price wants to finally give me the short I wanted. The minute I tried to go long, price wanted to go short. So we might see some retest of that TBR and stuff. Just one touch, losing my mind. So what happened here is, so this time in that low, this is a doji on the higher time frame. This we trade above it, and price start rounding. We come and close below this, tap back in, and now we just have to. We need a close below that candle, the 1132 candle. Price needs to be able to close below it, and if we do, we might see some low, at least this. So no close as of yet. I'm talking about. We need some kind of equal high here, and then we can see some lows get taken out. Our price can just refuse to do so and keep working higher to the sweep of that TBR and stuff. But you see the our price slowed down here, like this high is close to this high. It's not the place that I'll be looking for longs, based on what I learned from Dave though, right? Alright, so we wait for the high to get taken, because if we follow structure, we have no break. This high with that low, that with that high, that with that low. As much as I want to go short, I should. Yet. I'm just waiting for price to get above this high and to give me some signs, and I'm willing to take a short, unless price start to shoot up and made some huge candle up. Let me check the higher time frame, right? See, this candle done close. Close that one. We tap back in, trying the high again. Here's the thing about the higher time frame. Do I think this high is gonna get taken. Yes, doesn't mean that I can't trade some pullbacks coming back from here, right? That's why I'm trying to trade. Look, from let's say you trade from that low and you go into that high, but I'm not in any trade now. I'm just trying to trade those. This is a pull. This is a pullback that happened before. This is a pullback that happened before this high was taken, and this is a pullback that happened straight afterwards, right? We took it, we take the zone at the top of the range, and then we start working up again. So this is likely to happen here also, unless price shoot up, right? And based on that, I'm trying to trade this. This is what I'm trying to trade. Right? And yeah, the high close to one another again. I never felt like this before. Be the second time out. All right. So same. If I fail here, we get to see those lows, right? Okay, I took up to 102 here. Once you get below that low, I'm going at break even. My BE is here. And I'm trying to go there, if not here. Probably, right? Right. Let me check. So let me check this. I did some speed coming out of price actually to break those lows. All right. So price go happy. All right, okay. Price may look again for the highs, but I'm still looking for short here. Let's see. I got taken out of this entry, right? Entry was here, and I went at B there. Jolt. All right. Structure still bullish. Waiting. each entry I took there was couldn't return, so whenever whenever I took that kind of entry, I go to break even as fast as I can. I mean, whenever low is taken, I go to break even because price can reverse back in my face like it did right here. So still waiting. Oh. We have this validated TBR here. We didn't tap yet in it since it was validated. Not even targeting that though. Okay. Let's see if we get a pullback here after the sweep. Check something. Okay. Let me find some better drum. Mm, 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 mm. Let me find some better drum and bass. Yeah, that's better. Pullback is coming. I don't want to get involved before we get this high. Hmm. Um, Still waiting. Hello. I took one loss on short too. Hello, hello. Oh yeah, did you? Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for another setup, jury. Juicy. I don't know if I can. I don't know how to say your name though. Juxi, I guess. Are we still live? Oh. Um. Okay, are we still live? This is weird. Something is up. Something is up. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys see the screen? Let me check this. All right, look like we're back. Yeah, so I was saying, yeah, the the market has been not tricky. The market has been like usual, but I was trying to be first on the short and I didn't find it, so I took BE twice, which is fine, right? So we have the sweep. Okay. Okay. So it seems like my stream is buffering, which is bad. Let me check if I can do better. Give me one sec. So look like our short is coming in now. Alright, I'm in an entry here. Alright. Right, you guys will tell me if the stream is better now. I've got all the Wi-Fi devices. You know, I'm on a small island, so we have like internet here. The speed is average. That's why when I have multiple devices connected, you can experience something like this. But yeah, so we have the sweep of the. Wait, let me not. Yeah, it's not fake news. We had the sweep of the TVR from the 29 May, I guess, or something. Let me check. Yeah, from the 29, and the short that I've been looking for, it might be it. So the first sign of it is the high is getting close to one another. Dave taught me this, right? So you have this, you have that. Getting here. Price is still bullish, but I took an entry from here, below the low of that candle, and I'm about to flip to be in no time now. So yeah, so you have this kind of rounding, you know, the price might be looking the other way. And then it all depends on what price does, if it goes down, but if it does, I'll be looking for this low to get taken. So yeah, let's see what that does for me. we still want to be mindful of the fact that it's counter trending, right? Let's see what price does. Alright. So we got stopped out. I mean BE. Let's see. But I'm not. I mean, I'm not long in this in here. Nah, there's no way I'm long in this in here. Nah. Alright. Here we go. Again for another high. Yeah, my swing count was telling me to look that way. Never found me. Still nothing. One day I think it's all. All right. Look like price doesn't want to give me the short. Let we still scouting, looking for it, right? Same. Nothing has changed as of yet, right? One could argue price is still closing above EMAs, so why would you short? Yeah, but swing count, sweeps and stuff, everything's met. I thought we would get some pullback. I have clear target also. I have clear targets, but look like it doesn't want to. If it doesn't want to, we're still waiting for it, right? Mm, 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 and I thought about longing here, but I was already looking for shorts. Still waiting. There's nothing. Look, this green candle following by a green candle that is putting highs. There's not even a sign of anything here, right? Or this one maybe, but after this slow down, most of the time we get a pullback. Sometimes not, because someday price just kept going up. It might be this day, but the thing is, I have to obey my rules, or else I'll be cooked next time. And my rule says it's time to shop. To look for it at least. So we're still looking. To dive in. Hey. Hey. The buy stop trading would have been nice from those lows here, there, here. Do we get stop here? Nothing, man. This is crazy. Still waiting. Today is one of those days when a few months back I would have blown out. A few months back, one of those days. Trading both direction and stuff. I know. I mean, it used to be crazy, man. to dive in. All right. Okay, so let's say this come down here, close below, give me a pullback. I'm getting in here to go down, but we need to close below that low first, because this is only one candle on the higher time frame. It's, I don't know which time frame this is. It's 10 minutes or so. It's one candle up, like nothing in between, just green bars. It's just one candle. So let's see if price close below that, this becomes a wick, and I may be able to find something coming back down. But as of now, I'm just watching price going up and counting points since I'm sitting here looking for a trade, right? But it doesn't matter. Waiting for rules to be met. In it. Oh, look. Buffering again. Yeah, that's weird. I have some issue with my computer probably. I want a short. I want a short. I want a short. Marketing giving me no short. No. Only to be this morning. This is one of those days you should have stayed. You should have went to jiu-jitsu class in the at midday, not staying on the chart. But that's good for me because market's testing my passions, and whether you have it or not, the market will always win. So you should just wait for it to show whatever you want it to show before you enter in, right? Still looking for shrouds. Shrouds. Oh, 3 times. Hey. Market don't want to break. Like us, there's no love. At least the song is good, right? The music is nice. Let me check what's happening with gold. That's a nice one-to-one from the origin here. What I would say is the origin. Should have been here for the break. See all those little swings that price makes up. Once you get to the POI, you get below them all. Yeah, still looking for gold to trade higher. Right. And here comes a new high. This must be on the green candle on the 15 minute, right? Yes, it is. Wow. Nice move up, right? Still nothing. Absolutely nothing for me here. Um, Alright, I'm tired. Let me go grab something to eat. I'm going to the gym. I'll be right back later on, right? I'll be right back because price is not showing me what I want here. So let's say price. Oh, okay, let me some forecasting. Let's say price doesn't stop, which is which it might be right because this is the first swing. Would be a second swing on the higher time frame. Let's say price doesn't stop going above that high. It's probably making a little zone right before taking that high here, right? Go get above, give a flip, and I'll be looking to hit this to be able to take the low of that little zone. That's the top of that range. This is the only thing I can see here from now, based on the fact that price doesn't want to stop for anything and give me a single little short, because there is good targets down here, and there's quite some decent target down here. Um, but nothing, no break as of yet. Nothing. Price gave me the highs that one close to another. I was like, yeah, cool, blah blah blah, da 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 da, yada yada yada. We'll find a short, da 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 da. It didn't happen. Sometimes it's like this, right? So what I can do is protect my equity. How do I do that? I'm not clicking on this trying too long because I missed all that move. I'm not clicking on this trying to short before I get some confirmation because we're obviously longs, but in highs. And that's it. Yeah, that's it for me for now. I'm just going to go lift some weight and choke some people out in jiu-jitsu. Be right back, right? Cool. Have a good one. See you this afternoon. Huh?